You know, I created a video 3 days ago where I talked about Shiba Inu. And I said, I told you, the Shiba ecosystem team lied to everybody. Talking about Bone and Leash, while also understanding that SHIB is a major part of the ecosystem, right? I'll put it in quotes because it technically SHIB is the center part of any ecosystem that's created, but Shib is the central part, right? It's the main character in this. And not necessarily saying that the ecosystem dev team did so much to destroy Shib in a way. I think they kind of destroyed the future of what Shib could have been, like price wise, not necessarily market cap wise or anything like that, because I still believe the market cap is going to exceed the levels that many people believe it's going to be at. But since I talked about Shib, Bone, and Leash and the ecosystem dev team and Burns and all that stuff, people brought to my attention. They were like asking me questions. What about Shib for 2025? Do you still believe in Shiba Inu? Do you believe that's going to go anywhere? And the short answer to that is yes. I still believe Shiba Inu is going to have success, but not the level of success that we all preached for and pushed for in the beginning stages of it. So before we get into all of this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of my links down below. You can check out my link for Twitter, for Patreon. I also have a link at the top of the description for BTCC, which is a platform that allows you to leverage trade outright, and demo trade if you want to get some practice. You can get a 10% deposit bonus if you specifically use my link, with extra bonuses up to $10,055, up to 40% lower trading fees, and you can trade all the way up to a 500x leverage if you wanted to on many different cryptos. I recommend maybe a 2 to 10x leverage, nothing really over that. If you are a beginner, probably 2 to 5x leverage, something that's going to give you a little bit of wiggle room so that if you're wrong, you can still have a room to be wrong, right? Rather than just lose all of your money right from the start. So make sure you check that out. Also, if you do sign up using my link, make sure you deposit and trade within this time frame, October 1st to October 15th, and you could potentially win 500 USDT for free. So definitely check out the link down below. It's a no-brainer in my opinion. But like I said, I made this video about Shiba Inu, and the reason why I did was because I just wanted to tell people that I clocked this from miles away, from literally years in the future or in the past. Like I believe that we were going to see the ecosystem dev team non-existent, not saying anything because of the fact that they're just basically looking to take rather than give to the SHIB community. But for SHIB alone, when we look at meme coins are a still a popping sector, right? It's still something that has multiple billions of dollars of volume. In the last 24 hours, we saw $11.84 billion worth of volume in meme coins alone. That's billion dollars with a B. If you said any business out there that you didn't believe was worth anything, and all of a sudden they're looking at $12 billion worth of a business, you kind of second guess, what you just said. You're like, hey, it actually is something that makes a lot of money, that generates a lot of income, right? $12 billion worth of volume. The overall sector is sitting at a $72.28 billion market cap. If we look at all history and how this has grown, it's gone all the way down from a $17 billion market cap, or even lower, a $9.2 billion market cap, up to the high of a $114 billion market cap overall. So a lot of money flows through these positions. And what leads the market? You have Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe. Dogecoin by far definitely leads the market, and you see a lot more potential in it with $4.3 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours. But then you see other things like Pepe with $747 million worth of volume, Shiba Inu with $257 million worth of volume, Pudgy Penguins with about $600 million worth of volume, right? You see the ability for volume, the ability for growth, and people are ecstatic about it. Now, meme coins, I just have to kind of preface all of this. Understand that if you are going to invest in meme coins, you have to know what meme coins are. Meme coins are purely for the gains. With the exception of maybe one or two, meme coins are purely for whatever gains you can get. That's the whole reason for the popularity. So when you get to a point where everybody's like Dogecoin to $1, when Dogecoin gets to $1, there's going to be a massive drop off of people that are looking to sell it at that level. It currently sits at 25 cents, but it could potentially get to that level of $1. And when it does, you have many predictions that are saying that's the level that we're looking to get to. That's the moon. So then people end up selling it at those levels. Know that meme coins are about that. So Shiba Inu for the longest time was about multiple levels, getting to a penny. What if it does get to 10 cents? What if it does get to $1? Right? That's where those questions came in. And even me, I put out videos, shorts videos that got a lot of traction, regular videos that I got a decent amount of traction because of the thought process of burning off more and more SHIB. Well, that's kind of gone out the window because of everything the ecosystem dev team has done, which I explained in my last video. And now we're sitting at a level to where we're like, what's the market cap going to get to? What's the hype? What's the potential sitting there? And while it still does have a lot of potential and a lot of push, it just doesn't have as much as it did before. So is it still worth it to invest into Shiba Inu in 2025? Well, let's go into SHIB really quick and look at SHIB. SHIB currently stands at a 0.00001223 level. It's down by 32% over the last year. In the last day, it's down by 5%. The last 7 days is up by 5%. In the last month, it's down by 1.4%. If we look at the total market cap, $7.2 billion for a market cap. $257 million worth of volume, which is not bad. Looking at a 3.57% volume market cap ratio. We should be seeing a lot more volume for how popular it is. This still has, it's still on 2 million watch lists and has 3 million holders. So you still have a lot of popularity and a lot of potential with it. It currently sits at a $7.2 billion market cap, right? So the growth in where you see it going, I see it hitting a $100 billion market cap. But do I see it staying at these levels? No. Right? I don't see it staying at these levels. I think the meme coin market will explode, but you will have fluctuation. You'll have the OGs like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe that always remain at a higher market cap level. Maybe not the highest, but we'll always have that fluctuation, bull run after bull run after bull run. But it will kind of start to tail off and you will have others that take over that spot, just like looking at the entire market. So when we compare things, when we compare Shiba Inu to, say, Dogecoin here had a massive amount of growth. If we look at this peak point here, had about 300% worth of growth. From this level to, from the beginning stages of that, from the charting to where we are at the peak point or at the spot we're looking at, 330%. While Shiba Inu saw a respectable 84% growth. But honestly, that's not enough for, other meme coins that are obviously picking up and seeing the same level of growth that you're seeing with Dogecoin. So you scroll down here, you continue to look, and Shiba Inu looks like it's insanely flat. Yes, you're seeing some of the same movement because the market or the sector is going to move together. So you're going to see that, but you're looking at Dogecoin as a 128% increase over from the beginning to where we are. Here, you're seeing a drop for Shiba Inu at down 11%. Dogecoin is still up 150%. Same thing that goes here. Shiba Inu is down by 18%. Dogecoin is up by 166%. So there's definitely, you're looking at the comparison between two top meme coins that are there. One that honestly runs the meme coin sector, and the other one that doesn't, right? It's a part of the lead group of meme coins, but it looks like it's starting to fall off a little bit. I still see the volume potential with the amount of holders as well, the amount of followers in it, the amount of traction with views, the amount of traction with conversation. So it's still there. It still has a lot of potential for growth, and I still see it getting to multiple tens or even $100 billion market cap. It's just when it does get to those levels, what happens then? Are we going to see the meme coin effect in real time, meaning that Shiba Inu gets to a point where everybody wants to sell and then everybody does sell. Because that's what meme coins are. So I'm still hype about Shiba Inu, about the potential that it could have, but not as much as I was in the beginning stages when everything was set for SHIB to burn, for companies to burn, for the community to burn, for Shiba Inu to hit a 10 cent and $1 price point. Shiba Inu to $1 was all the rage, but now Shiba Inu to $1 is not necessarily the truth at all. Not even close to it. I'm not going to write it off completely because anything has the potential chance to be done, but I know that it's kind of slim. It's slimmer chances as we move along. So I want to know what your opinion is of SHIB, of it in 2025. Is it worth it in 2025? So my answer to that is yeah. I mean, it depends what it is. Is it worth it? Is it worth the investment? You can make money from Shiba Inu at these levels, absolutely. But is it worth it compared to putting your money elsewhere that could potentially make you more? That's up to you to see, right? That's up to you to compare what other position you're looking to put money into. But it definitely will net you a return. I 100% believe that. But is it going to give you that $1 price point? You have 100 million and now you're going to have $100 million? Slim chance that that actually happens. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for BTC, see that link is at the top of the description. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.